Skugrid has now implemented a way for you to easily update your eBay items at your convenience. Once you are logged into Skugrid, go to Settings. Click on Marketplaces. Click on eBay. Click on the country that you are listing on. In order for the CSV export option to work, you will need to make sure that Auto Update eBay Price and Auto Update eBay Stock are both set to Yes. Then save settings. These options will not make Skugrid reprice your eBay items automatically anymore, as the eBay keys have been disabled. It will just allow Skugrid to calculate your selling price based on current supplier price and your formula, as well as determine whether or not your item should be put in stock or not. The information will be stored in a database, and you will be able to export a properly formatted CSV for eBay file exchange. After you have made sure that Auto Update eBay Price and Auto Update eBay Stock are both set to Yes, please allow some time for everything to update in the databases. When you are ready to export your eBay file exchange CSV, simply go to Import Export. Click on Export eBay File Exchange. Select the eBay marketplace that you want to download your items for. Below that, select how far back you want Skugrid to go to look for changes in the database. For example, if you want changes that have occurred within the last 24 hours, you would select 24 hours. Or you can select changes as recent as within the last hour. For this example, we will select 24 hours. Then click Export. You will see a green alert at the top of your screen with a link that says click here to download CSV. Click the link to download your file. Under that will be a link to upload your file to eBay. Click that link to open up to eBay File Exchange in a new tab. Now open your CSV download. For best results, we recommend using Google Sheets, as it will not convert your eBay item IDs into scientific notation. But we will demonstrate in Excel to show you what to do in that case. Once open, if you're using Excel, you will see that your eBay item numbers are in scientific notation. Right-click on column B to highlight the item ID column. Right-click anywhere in the highlighted area, then choose Format Cells. Select Number. Change decimal places to 0. Click OK. Now you will be able to view all of the item numbers that have had supplier price or stock changes. Skugrid has already formatted the CSV in proper format for eBay File Exchange upload. This CSV indicates that starting price or selling price of your items if your price needed to be changed based on your settings. It will also have a quantity value if your item stock needed to be changed. Now save the file and then close it. We just wanted to demonstrate what the CSV will look like. Now go back to the tab where you open up eBay File Exchange. Note, you must already be logged into your eBay account to complete this. If not, you should be prompted to log in. Verify that your email address is correct. Click Choose File Location and browse for your CSV file. Click Upload. eBay will then put your items in queue to be updated. They will redirect you to the View Upload Results page. You will need to allow eBay some time to finish processing all of the changes. You can simply come back and refresh your screen to see when it is 100% complete. From there, you can click Download under Load Results Report. Open this CSV file. This report will show you all of the changes and if eBay threw any errors or warnings. If any items report failure, then you should look into the reason why. That means that the item couldn't be updated. Thank you for watching.